Good afternoon, respected judges, distinguished guests, as well as fellow researchers. Today, it's a great pleasure to present our study titled on seroprevalence and incidence of hepatitis A virus among pregnant women in Anuradhapura district, Sri Lanka. I am Arvind Premra. Hepatitis A is caused by a positive strand non-enveloping virus belonging to family Picornaviridae genus enterovirus, and this infection transmitted via fecal route through consumption of contaminated food and water. And almost everyone recovers fully from this infection with lifelong immunity, but it causes fatal for some feeble percent by virulent hepatitis as percentage is 0.5. This infection is common in low and middle income countries which has poor sanitary conditions and hygienic practices. Sri Lanka has estimated as a percentage it's 92%. There is a good sanitary coverage, but still Sri Lanka remains an intermediate endemic area for hepatitis A virus. Hepatitis A infection is not frequently reported among pregnant women. Therefore, data on incidence and outcomes of hepatitis A infection during pregnancy remain scarce. So, in this research, we aim to fill some existing gaps on hepatitis A virus. So, we are going to estimate seroprevalence of anti-HIV IgG among pregnant women in Anuradhapura district, Sri Lanka, as well as estimate the seroincidence of HIV during pregnancy in Anuradhapura district, Sri Lanka. When it comes to methodology part, our study has done in Public Health Research Laboratory, Rajarata University of Sri Lanka, and the samples were taken from Biobank of Rajarata pregnancy cohort, which is called as RAPCO. And this cohort has established during the period of July to September 2019. The pregnant women were enrolled before 12 weeks of gestation, which is considered as first trimester, and they were reassessed at 25 to 28 weeks of gestation, which corresponds to second trimester, at the both time points when blood samples were collected. When it comes to laboratory part, samples were taken to the laboratory and the serum samples were separated and those were stored at -80 Celsius degree, and those were tested for anti-HIV IgG antibodies using one-time ELISA kit. The principle was competitive ELISA technique. And those samples were performed according to manufacturer's instructions. The plates included 3 negative and 2 positive controls for the quality control purposes, and the steps were included one step incubation at 37 Celsius for 60 minutes, and the frequencies were measured at 450 nanometers. When it comes to result part, the rapid biobank was available 3,163 baseline samples. Among them, we have tested for anti-HIV IgG antibodies for hepatitis A virus 1,846 samples. Among them, 1,789 samples were positive and 57 samples were negative. For those who have first trimester samples from the mothers, we could be able to collect 971 second trimester samples. Among them, there were 35 negative samples, which is baseline, which is considered first trimester samples, and there were 5 zero conversions. It means there was 14.29% cumulative incidence. When it comes to seroprevalence, this indicates it's a high seroprevalence among pregnant women for hepatitis A virus as a percentage is 96.91. And when it comes to incident cases, I mentioned that there are 5 seroconversion cases. For them, median follow-up days was 129 days and incident rate was 11.09 per 1000 days. And those cases were reported from Galway level, Rajangane, Kakirawa and Palmas level. So, when it comes to conclusion part, we could see that there was high anti-HIV IgG seroprevalence due to it indicates high prior exposure to hepatitis A virus, and there was natural immunity for those pregnant women, and there was the ongoing HIV transmission during pregnancy because of the seroconversion cases, incident cases which we saw in the presentation, and there we can say that continued surveillance is essential to monitor epidemiological shifts. These are my references, and these are the team members of the research, and we acknowledge for the Open Philanthropy Fund. Thank you.
Great.